Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to create a WordPress website using Pantheon hosting platform. Go to your browser and search for Pantheon and when you visit the first link there, they will land you to this page. So Pantheon is a cloud-based hosting provider that offers fast, secure and scalable hosting solutions for websites of all sizes. Whether you are a blogger, business owner or freelancer, having a professional looking website is crucial in today's digital age. And with WordPress, you can create a website that is easy to use. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install WordPress on your server, how to create pages and add plugins, etc. etc. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional WordPress website that is ready to use. So, sit back and let's get started on creating your own WordPress website. So this is the pantheon.io/login page. So now let's click on create free account and let's first let's first register with this Pantheon hosting platform. So here let's give the details here. I'm student, so I'm going to write student here, working email, enter your password, anything that you want to give. Country, let's give the country because that's how we are going to use the SEO of this website. Alright, let's click on I agree to Pantheon and click on sign up and they will sign you up with this Pantheon website. Now let's click on login with email. Let's fill up with the details. Alright, now this Pantheon dashboard pops up in front of us. Alright, the next thing that we can do is to then move to the sites, and here you can see create a free site. So let's click here on create a free site, and here we can see CMS site and the WordPress button here. Level up your WordPress workflow with version control. So let's click here and let's see. Alright, so create your Pantheon site. So here you have to give your site a name. Let's say we are going to give it a name Tech Gigs. Now you can see your Pantheon development site URL is being generated here, which is, you can see here dev-techgigs.pantheonsite.io. Choose a region for this site, which is United States, and let's click on continue. Alright, now you can see they are deploying the WordPress here. This is not the installation process, but they are just redirecting us to the WordPress where we are going to install the WordPress. Alright, let's wait for a couple of minutes and see what comes up next. I'll give you a complete tutorial on how to create a WordPress website, and that will be very amazing. Alright, we have finished deploying the WordPress, and here we can see we have got a new button which says visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Let's click here and it will redirect us to another page where we can install the WordPress. Alright, after deploying, this is what we can see. We have got the name that we have given, which is Tech Gigs, and here let's visit this development site. After clicking here, they will open a new window, and here we're going to do the WordPress installation. Okay, let's click on English United States and click on continue. Alright, let's give this site a title which will be Tech Gigs. Let's use this as a username and keep a different password. Alright, that doesn't matter if our password is weak. Confirm use of a weak password. Let's give the email here. Alright, now let's click on install WordPress. This will install the WordPress, and now we can edit and use our website. Alright, we have got the username, which is TechGigs, and the password which we choose right now. Alright, let's click on login, and after that we are going to our final website. So our username is TechGigs and our password was, let's click on login. Okay, that's a printing mistake, I guess. Let's click on login now, and yes, this has redirected us to this dashboard where we can create and edit our website. All right, now here you can see different options here, and down below there are different blogs and all. You can go and read them. Now here in this page you can see you can add pages, add news, and here you can see the plugin. Let's click on plugin and let's first install a plugin which is known as Astra. Let's search here for Astra, and yep, this is the one. Let's click on install now and activate this. Alright, after activating, this is what we are going to see. Down below here you can see this option where we can see the C library option. Let's click here, and rest of the things we are going to do is here. You can see build your website now. Let's click here and you can select any page builder, which is three different. The first one is Block Editor, Elementor, and Beaver Builder. Let's click on Elementor, and here you can see different templates that we can use to create our website. So for example, if I need any website for business, we can click here. For local business, personal care, professionals, personal sites, different. So let's click on personal sites and click on photographer. Here we can see different websites templates that we can use for a photographer. So let's click on, just a second, here we can see this premium. Alright, you have to pay if you want to use these premium websites, but right now we are focusing on all the free items that are available here. So let's click on this template, which is a flute artist. Just wait for some time to load. Alright, this is how it looks like. I am Linda Daniela, professional flautist. You can edit all these here. Also, you can upload your own files here in this upload files, or you can select from media library. Alright, we are not going to upload anything here. Also, you can edit all this with all the tools available here. You can also change the logo width here after uploading the logo. When we click on biography, you can see the biography here. Alright, we are not going to edit anything here, and let's click on skip and continue. Also, you can change different colors here, different fonts. You can choose according to your wish, according to your colors. Now let's click on continue, and here you can see, okay, just one last step. You can give your introduction or any details that they are asking for. I'm not going to give any details here, and let's click on submit and build my website. Alright, this is the last step that you can do. We are building your website, installing your themes, plugins, forms, etc. Now they are installing all the availabilities, all the plugins, or all the designs and themes that are required for your website. So let's be patient and wait for some time, and let's see how the website looks like in the final stage.
Okay.
Alright, they say congratulations, your website is ready, and it took just 50 seconds to build. That's awesome. Now let's click on view your website, and let's see how our website looks like. This is the website, and this is the complete URL of the website. Here you can see I am Linda Daniela, professional flautist. And now if you want to edit this website, I'll make a different video on how you can edit this. You can, when you click on biography, you can see the biography here. You can edit all this and give everything according to yourself. I think I shouldn't make a video on how to edit this, because edit the page, because you can see the option here, edit page. You can click that and do it yourself. It's not that tough. Alright, that's how you create a WordPress website. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Also, if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. And yes, thanks for watching. Bye bye.